Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add country region in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to the admin settings. Basically, you will need just to go to the side menu and search for settings. And it is located at the bottom of the menu here next or in this gear icon. By clicking on it, you will have this pop up here, and then you will need just to search for location. So as you can see, we can find locations here, and by clicking on it, we can see all the locations of our store. And simply, there is the add location button where we can add our locations. By clicking on add location, you can go to the address and click on add, and from here you can add a country or region. Also, you can add any phone that you would like, any region that you would like, and from there you add your address, your apartment suite, or anything additional details. And from here you will need necessary the postcode and the city. And also, if the region has some states, you can add the states for the region. So simply, this is the way to add any region or country region for your store, and that's it. After that, you will need just to click on save so you can save any changes. If you want to change an existing region, you will need just to go here to your region list or location list. You click on it and then start changing your informations for your country region for your store. So simply those are the ways, or it is the only way to add a country region for your store, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.